In this video, I'll show you how to find someone on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, for this, if there's any reasons you want to find someone on Discord, right, you need to head over to the server. That is the very first thing. So you can either search the person manually, or you can just do what I'm going to show you right now. So if you want to do it manually, you can see there are 9,511 people right here online. So you can keep scrolling down and searching for the person till you find the person, right? Or to avoid you wasting much time, so what you're going to do right now, that is very easy. Just head over to the search right here, input the person's name, right? Let's say the person is answering Philip. I'm just using an example. I'll come on here and type Philip. Let me know if there's anyone answering Philip right here. Okay, yeah, you can see there's someone answering Philip. I think like 3 people. Philip Temple, Philip West. So instead of you manually scrolling down to search for the person, just come on here, type the person's name. You'll be shown the people that are currently answering Philip right here. So there are 3 people right here, right? So you can open the persons, like you can feel okay. You can just, let me say, add the person up, right? Or I would come on here, search for Philip. So there are 3 people answering Philip right now. So but like from what I showed you, the people answering Philip there. So your work is to basically add them up from the username. So this is the username, right? You can basically just add them up. So let me say I want to search, let me say someone, I want to search for someone answering, let me say something like, let me say Sarah, right? So you can see there are people answering Sarah right now. So your basic course is just from the username, you can add them up, you can reach out to them if you want to ask them any questions or you want to seek some inquiries. So this is basically how you can find someone on Discord. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.